Okay students, we discussed earlier art and culture and different types of paintings and different types of sculptures we observed, and famous personalities also we discussed later. And here, this is the last part, we discussed the very important things here now. What that is? Aspiration of women. Aspiration of women means after reading the Bible, especially in European society, the rich people and their children getting good education. They are getting education inside the home or their own schools. So that's why rich people got good education. The rich people mindset also changed. So rich women, especially we are talking about the rich women getting good ideas. So here two members which is given in the textbook, the two members names are: number one, Venetian Cassandra Fidel. Cassandra Fidel is original name. Cassandra Fidel. She is a very important personality. She is expert in different languages. She mobilized European society, especially only female. She advised to the female, we can rule, we can administrate, and we can govern, and we can do anything, because women can do anything like men. She advised by her writings. So her name is called Cassandra Fidel. She was expert in literature. What literature? French, English, and other languages also, Greek also. She was expert. Like that, Marchesa of Mounta. It means Marchesa of Mounta means she was a princess of Mounta. So that's the Marchesa of Mounta. Isabella d'Este. Her name is called Isabella d'Este. She is also very famous personality. When her husband was not in a position, when he went to other states, at that time she was helping and she was ruling. Finally, she was a great woman ruler, recognized by the people of Mounta. So, in Italian states, very famous personality, her name is called Isabella d'Este. She encouraged to the all women also, and she gave good encouragement to women in the society. And she said, women can do anything like a men. So that is also happened after enforcement of the Bible in the society. So when the people read the Bible, they get good ideas. And before commencement of Bible, there is no role of women. After commencement of women, good role played by the women. So that is the most important thing. Here I said two important and examples. Number one is Cassandra Fidel, and number two Isabella d'Este. These two members played important role. And later, debates in Christianity was started. Debate in Christianity means what type of debates? Whether church is playing good role or wrong attitude or wrong guidance. This is before commencement of Bible, after commencement of Bible. Before commencement of Bible, what is the role played by the church and church father? After commencement of the Bible, what the role played by the church and church father? Such type of discussions are taken place in European society. Before commencement of the Bible, all the people not thinking about reality. They thinking about the God and the church only. What the church father say, they will follow blindly, because there is no evidence. So that's why evidence is there afterwards. Bible is evidence. So that's why lot of debates are taken place in European society, in almost all nations. lot of debates are occurred. So by debates the originality come out. What is that? We will see. Sin papers are also called indulgence documents. Sin papers are indulgence documents. This is very, very important thing in European history. Sin papers and indulgence documents, which is indulgence documents, which is prepared by Pope Leo X. Pope Leo X. So he sold these papers. Afterwards, the church played important role, and the church goes to the first position, and the king goes to the second position, and the feudal lords goes to the third position, and the merchant goes to the fourth position, and last common man. This is the society was designed after selling of indulgence papers by Pope Leo X. So even king also in the second position. Church is dominating. This is happened before origin of Bible, before printing of the Bible. So this is the thing was happened. Then church occupied the first place, and the church father occupied the first place. And later, after debatings, what happens? Reality come out. They read Bible, all members, and the New Testament comes. So then a German monk started in 1517 here. German monk Martin Luther started what that is wrong attitude of Roman Catholic Church. Roman Catholic Church. It means RCC. What is they done mistakes? The mistakes identified by these type of monks, and they said to the people, what is real, what is wrong, what is said in Bible, what the church father is doing still now. So that's why what is the attitude of a church father, and they explained to the people. Then attitude of the people was changed, and followers and friends of Martin Luther, that is Ulrich Zwingli, and is a Switzerland personality, and one more is there, Jean Calvin. They also explained a lot in Switzerland about the bad activities of church and church father. And afterwards, Thomas More wrote Utopia. This belongs to a good scholar in England. He also wrote about the church RCM, RCC, Roman Catholic Church, blind beliefs. What is right, what is wrong, he wrote that in a Utopia book. Thomas More, very famous in England. And Protestant Reformation was started in Switzerland by Ulrich Zwingli and John Calvin. And afterwards, the church position, after several years, the followers are explained very detailedly about what is there in the Bible, what is not there in the Bible, and what the church fathers are doing, everything. After several years, what happens? Church going to the down position, and the king occupied first place, and the church is in the last position. Then, if God is there, means the society is very beautiful, and the society, when is beautiful, then the ruling is very easy. If God is not there, means the church is not there, means what happens? Then people is thinking for the other activities, it means bad activities. They are ready to do number of sins. తప్పులు చేయడానికి ఎట్టి పరిస్థితుల్లో వెనకాడరు. దేవుడు ఉన్నాడని చెప్పడం చాలా గొప్ప. దేవుడు ఉన్నాడు కాబట్టి అక్కడ స్మరించండి అని చెప్పడం చాలా గొప్ప, అక్కడికి వెళ్ళడం చాలా గొప్ప. ప్రశాంతంగా వెళ్ళి హృదయం సాక్షిగా, ఆత్మసాక్షిగా ప్రార్థన చేసుకోవడం అనేది చాలా మంచి పని. అంతేగాని దేవుడు లేడు, చర్చి లేదు, ఇట్లా లేదని చెప్పడం అనేది చాలా రాంగ్ పని. ఉన్నది వాస్తవాలు గమనించి మీరు ప్రేయర్ చేసుకోండి అని, బైబిల్లో ఉన్న ప్రకారం మీరు పాటించండి అని చెప్పాలి, కానీ అలా చెప్పకూడదు. సరే, వీళ్ళ యొక్క ప్రచారం వలన మార్టిన్ లూథర్, ఉల్రిచ్ జింగ్లీ, తర్వాత జీన్ కాల్విన్ యొక్క ప్రచారం వలన ఏమైంది? యూరోపియన్ సొసైటీలో చర్చి పొజిషన్ లాస్ట్కి వచ్చేసింది, ఎవరు వెళ్ళడం లేదు. కానీ అలా చేయడం మంచిది కాదు. డూ గుడ్ యాక్టివిటీస్. గాడ్ ఈజ్ దేర్. హూ క్రియేటెడ్ గాడ్? Man only created God. Who identified God? Man only identified God, because God is different. It's not a human being. God is different. That's why. Who identified church? Man only identified church. And everything identified by only man. That is the greatness of human being. So later, Ignatius Loyola started the great thing that is called, he founded Society of Jesus. Ignatius Loyola founded Society of Jesus. It is very, very important thing. Again, he encouraged church. He encouraged, God. Both the things he encouraged. Again, the church getting good place, that is in second place. Because church is there, God is there, that is the truth. Temple, mandir, mosque, everything is there. God is there. That is universal truth. So that's why, again, Ignatius Loyola started Society of the Jesus to campaign about the church and the God. Otherwise, people are doing number of sins and criminal attitudes, and the bad activities are rising in the society. So that's why here Ignatius Loyola started Jesus Society. That is encouragement for God. Again, the church getting the higher position or the same position. But before Bible, after Bible, lot of changes came. Here, Roger Bacon started scientific research. What is true? What is false? What is right? What is wrong? He made number of inventions, number of practicals, number of chemical practicals. That's why what is true? What is false? He said. So Roger Bacon given good idea to all the members in the European society. Later, several kings encouraged to the sailors to find out new routes, new innovations, new inventions are started. Several members and missionaries started. After missionary, what the thing was happened? After missionary, number of goods are prepared. These goods are selling in different markets and getting money. That is the plan of Europeans. That's why number of kings encouraged the sailors to find out new areas, new places in the world. For that, they started sailing. The Magellan started sailing, and Vasco da Gama started sailing, and Columbus also started sailing, and Amerigo Vespucci also started sailing. They find out Magellan circled the entire world, and Vasco da Gama come to Kozhikode, Calicut, and Amerigo Vespucci identified America, and Columbus discovered West Indies or Arabian Islands, that is Red Indians. These places started, and the new knowledge come out. Generally, in the Bible, what is there? Earth is the center for the universe is there. That is not correct. After that, Galileo and Copernicus, these two members said, Galileo, find out what that is. Galileo on mission to see the universe and planets. Telescope. Galileo, telescope. And afterwards, Copernicus said, Sun is the center of the universe. That is called heliocentric theory. Heliocentric theory. Sun is the center of the earth. But church fathers are not agreed. And Galileo said apology to the church fathers. Why? Because earth is the center of the world. That is there in the Bible. So that's afterwards he murmuring in the lonely after he said the truth, but everybody followed present because of scientific temper of the people. And later, number of places are identified worldwide. All new places are identified because of voyage of sailors. And Belgium identified Congo place like this. I said just now, Magellan circled the entire world and new areas are found out. So this is the lesson 12, that is changing culture and traditions in Europe. I will give some important questions, you note down, and you must be answer it. What is that? The first one. How the historians are classified the periods in the European history, and later different books, different writings of different people. And the last one is different sculptures. For example, Leonardo da Vinci, Michelangelo, Raphael, these pictures and experts and writers Erasmus, Thomas More, and Ignacio Loyola, and Martin Luther, these members and their writings also most important. At the same time, I am questioning you, anatomy and first dissect made by dash, that is Andreas Vesalius, you know that. So like that, number of praying hands designed by Albert Dürer, and this type of questions I will ask later. Thank you. Okay, bye.